International Secondary Science Workbook 1 7.2 Metal Elements. The list below gives some properties. Underline the properties that are typical of metals. First of all, we will read all the properties: sonorous, high melting point, poor conductor of heat, low melting point, dull, shiny, good conductor of heat, good conductor of electricity, ductile, high density, malleable, soft, poor conductor of electricity, strong, and hard. So we have to underline the properties that are typically found in metals only. So they are sonorous, having high sound when something touch them. They are having high melting point. They are shiny. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. They are ductile, can be drawn into different wires and different shapes. They are have high density. They are hard. They are strong, and they are malleable. Their shapes can be changed easily. Question number 2, we have write down the property or properties that explains why metals are suitable for each use in the table. We have to write that why these kind of metals are useful: water pipes, bells, bicycle frame, electric cables, cooking pans, and coins. So water pipes are useful because they are waterproof, they are having high melting points, then they are malleable. Bells, because they are sonorous, they create sound and a very high sound. Bicycle frame, because it is ductile, it is having high melting point. Electric cables, they are ductile and having high melting points. Cooking pans, they are shiny and having high melting points. Coins, they are shiny and having high melting points. Question number 3, we have the table gives some properties of 5 elements. Give the letters of the element that are likely to be metals. We have to tell whether which elements are having metal-like properties. Elements A, B, C, D, and E. Density: A is having 7.2, B is having 1.8, C is having 7.2, D is having 4.9, and E is having 8.9. The melting point of A is 1890 and boiling point is 2482. The melting point of B is 44 and boiling point is 280. The melting point of C is 1240 and boiling point is 2100. Melting point of D is 114 and boiling point is 184. Melting point of E is 1453 and 2730 is its boiling point. So A, C, and E are likely to be metals because they are having high melting and high boiling points, and their densities are as well very high. So these are A, C, and E are likely to be metals because they have high melting and boiling points and they have high density values.